So just a bit of an update. I've got shuttered the potentiometer that were causing an area where I could short circuit onto engine. I've got shut of that, and I've just put a 680 ohm resistor in line now. So I've sort of found out that was best resistance for me with stock turbo, and it seems to not smoke at all on boost now. I have put a bleed on the wastegate actuator to up the boost pressure as well, and I haven't had any problems with going into limp mode yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fiddle about adjusting that until I go into limp mode, and then just back it off a touch. So just down here I got one this colour so that you could see it on screen. I'm not sure if this is a way to use one of these. However, when I put it in line, when I just put it in there, it didn't really work properly. It weren't engine weren't running well at all, and I think it might have been it in limp, or it was just, it sort of like backfired and stuttered. So I'm not sure how that works, but I've put a T-piece on now, and I control the bleed from the wastegate actuator pipe with this. So what I do is try and do it. I set the preload on a spring inside this, softer for more boost, tighter for less boost, and it just regulates the bleed out at end of here. So it regulates the pressure that's bled off out at end of here. I'm not sure what pressure I'm getting yet, but I think the standard map sensor triggers a high boost at around about 1.6 bar. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong on that, but it might be a little bit lower. But I think something like anything above 22 psi is going to be daft on a standard TD04 13 turbo like what's on these things. I think they'll be just making a lot of hot air, turn it into an air dryer.